in New Delhi again because our car is broken down. We went to Rajasthan, Jaismir, and we drove around 12 hours. We had so much fun on the road and enjoyed every single minute. But unfortunately, that we didn't realize what is gonna happen to us.
En sécurité. J'espère qu'on va réussir à le remettre. Allez mon gars. Allez.
We cannot start the engine, and we didn't know what exactly the problem is, so we stuck in the desert.
Yeah, controller.
After in the morning, we need to take wire and tie it with the car, then pull into the garage in the city. But it's always broken along the road.
Good.
Sit, please. Yes, again.
If it's not possible,
Not possible, then how can arrange this?
we cannot drive.
Not sure, not correct.
So if I am in Delhi, maybe I can go to the embassy and try to stay more in India if the problem is too big.
Now, the problem is not just about the starter, it's also with the engine and tire, and they cannot repair.
I go to Delhi.
Delhi.
New Delhi? Yeah. 15 hours? 15 hours?
We decide to go back to New Delhi, but it's not easy at all because we need to put the water into radiator every 10 kilometers to make the engine cool down. Is there anything worse than this? 13 hours passed, we can drive only 200 kilometers. Moreover, our car is dead. But we found someone want to help us.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your help.
However, we are not lucky. It's broken again.
And we stuck in the city in Nagar. Okay, you will call me back, right?
After the storm, come a calm. This is what we believe. So we took a truck and heading to New Delhi. Finally, we success. We are in New Delhi. Thank you so much, the truck driver.
Perfect.
So, I have no idea what it's gonna be. If they can repair, I would be so happy and we continue the trip back to Paris. But if they can't, I would be so sad and disappointed, and our trip probably will finish.